Hi. Welcome. This will be a quick video about the calendar page. The page is quite intuitive. To add an event to the private calendar, click on a cell, enter a title, choose the date and color, and save. To edit an event, simply click again on the badge you want to update. On the dashboard home, you can see the events scheduled for today. Another thing to know, if you are inside a dojo, you will see the Dojo Calendar page at the top, which displays events added by your dojo's sensei. These events cannot be edited, only viewed. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the calendar page. Wishing you a great training session.